Hey guys, welcome back to drawing. Today I've got a suggestion, a special one this time, for Shaun's cholesterol medication. So we want to start off with the lid of the medication. See, medication's very important, so you don't want to mess it up. Because if you mess it up, then, you know, it could be very unhealthy. So it's kind of wide, but that's alright. That's normal. It's normal sometimes. Alright, kind of looks like that. Then you got a bunch of writing. I'm not going to bother, so I'm going to go blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Shaun. Sweet. Blah 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 blah. And then chemist at the bottom. Alright, cool. Now again, more colour. I think it's just going to be colour forever now. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, now thanks for watching. And I'll just leave a special message for Shaun. Take your medication. Thank you.